is Audrey. Today we just got from the mask and introduce yourself. Her name is Isa.
I'm Kylie Jen.
And I am Sophia.
Her name is Sophia. So what are we gonna do today? Q&A.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Sophia is asking. She's here. So, first question. What is your favorite movie? Moana?
I'm Moana.
Harry Potter, Moana, Moana. What is your favorite color? Aqua, white, and green.
Apple like
No. His favorite color is pink and blue. My favorite color is aqua, white. Okay. Her favorite Lisa's favorite is white, purple, and green. Next question. How old are you? 9?
I am
4? 20? Her age is 11. Next question. What is your favorite food? Mine is Okay, mine is tennis. Yours is tennis.
My favorite is Dennis.
Okay, we both like tennis. All of us. Next question. Next question. That's my sister. Next question. What is your favorite? What is your favorite?
I'm your friend. Our friend. Nagkaksin.
Who is your favorite YouTuber? Mine is. What is my favorite? I probably. I like all of the YouTubers.
Also me.
Alicia Marie.
Oh, Arisa. Oh, you watch that also? She loves Alicia Marie.
Yeah, what's up?
I like Ashley and Nicole.
Also me.
Next question. Next question.
Let's go.
What?
What game?
Who is your celebrity crush? Basically, I have none.
I have none.
You have none.
I don't know his name, but his name is Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
Daniel Radcliffe?
Yes.
Next question. Next question. Next question. What rank are you? Wait. What top are you? Top 19. Dati top 20. I'm top 19.
I'm top 19.
No, what top are you? You're on top.
I'm a 4.
Okay, Sophia's top 4 because her age is 4. What top are you? Say the truth.
I'm top 1. Joke.
You're not top 1!
I'm joking. I'm top 4. I am your top 5.
He's... Guys, she is not on top 5.
I'm the best people.
You're not the best.
It's all
Rainbow carrot magic in the air.
Okay, next question. How would you describe yourself? Funny? Funny?
I'm funny.
You?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Beautiful. You? Ugly. Just kidding. Next question. Next question. What is your favorite flower? Mine is rose.
Mine is rose.
Yours is?
Flower.
No, what is your favorite? What is your favorite flower?
Rose.
Rose.
We're all rose.
Yeah, we're all rose.
Also that one, that rose.
What's my name? You didn't have any gift.
Your name.
Axel.
What is your favorite song? Mine is starving?
Mine is Moana.
Okay, how far I'll go? What is your favorite song? What is your favorite song?
Closer and 24 karat magic in the air and the
that's
mannequin
it.
challenge. Oh!
That's enough. That's enough. Next question. This is the second to the last.
Yeah.
How would you describe one another? I describe Sophia adorable. I describe
It's adorable.
Isa lazy. How would you describe me? Describe me.
All beautiful.
I describe her as a lazy, ugly person.
No, not yet. How would you describe your ate?
Pangit.
Sophia described Isa as ugly. How would you- how would you describe me?
I'll describe you as lazy and ugly.
No.
Ah!
You're pangit.
Ow! How would you describe? No, guys, we're in the middle of video, not a middle of a fight. How would you describe Sophia?
I describe Sophia as cute but still annoying.
Last question. Do you love one another?
I love Lorraine.
I love Isa. You love Sophia. We love all each other. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Please
And goodbye and bye.